Welcome to our latest tutorial on enhancing your WhatsApp security. Today we're diving into the world of passkeys, a feature that's revolutionizing how we protect our digital conversations. If you've been wondering how to create a passkey on WhatsApp, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, open up your WhatsApp app. Make sure you're running the latest version to access all the new features. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three little dots. That's your menu button. Give it a tap, and from the drop-down, select Settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Account. Tap on that, and you'll see a new option called Passkey. This is where the magic happens. Select Passkey to enter the setup process. On the Passkey screen, you'll see an option to create a passkey. Go ahead and tap that. WhatsApp will now guide you through the process of setting up your very own passkey. It's simpler than you might think. You'll be prompted with a Continue button. Don't hesitate. Tap it to move forward. At this point, WhatsApp will ask you to use your device's screen lock. This could be your fingerprint, face recognition, or a PIN, depending on your phone's capabilities. By following these steps, you're adding an extra layer of security to your WhatsApp account. Passkeys are designed to make your login process not only more secure but also more convenient. No more fumbling with SMS codes or remembering complex passwords. Remember, this feature is rolling out gradually, so if you don't see it yet, keep your app updated and check back soon. It's a game changer for WhatsApp security, ensuring that your private conversations stay private. And there you have it. You've successfully created a passkey for your WhatsApp account. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your chats are now even more secure. Happy messaging, and stay safe out there in the digital world.